Hey everybody, welcome to Techie World. Today, we're gonna go over 10 best tactical military gear you can buy on Amazon 2021. Make sure to watch until number 1 because it's one of the most amazing gears I've ever seen. Do you have a guy in your family or social circle, or are you the kind of guy who enjoys being outdoors, in need of emergency equipment when camping in the middle of nowhere? Then you should get your hands on any of these most popular tactical and personal defense equipment for emergencies and other situations. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The focus of Smith & Wesson is to create knives that are ready for all situations. You can trust that your S&W knife will be the instrument you can rely on in any situation. Whether you're a knife collector, survivalist, or first responder, it has a 3.6-inch long blade made of high-carbon stainless steel, 4035 black oxides, and has an aluminum handle that has been rubberized for great comfort. Easy to hide, this is a knife that is also quickly accessible for everyday use. The actuator allowing you to open it with your finger is perfect. As you would imagine, safety has also been taken into account as it is constructed with a safety lock and liner lock to ensure that it will never slip while you're trying to use it. This product should be used for appropriate reasons and emergencies only, like breaking into or out of a car door after an accident, chopping up wood, and anything else that doesn't involve harming a person or an animal. A tomahawk is certainly among the most popular tactical and personal defense equipment that you need whenever heading out in the middle of the wilderness to camp. It's perfect to chop wood for a fire, cut really strong cords, and anything else that's tough and you need to cut through. The Tomahawk by SOG is very lightweight compared to the many tomahawks on the market, has a 420 stainless steel axe blade, and it's much easier to carry around. The black sheath is included along with a snap closure and a belt loop attachment. The 2-inch blade has a black finish hard case and a glass reinforced nylon handle to grip for better control. Every single person who goes camping must have a flashlight on them. If you camp without a flashlight, how are you roaming the grounds at night? You need a much stronger flashlight while camping and hiking at night. The Weapon Mount Tactical Flashlight by Streamlight is one of the most popular tactical and personal defense equipment and the perfect tactical flashlight that you need for any night outdoor activities. This flashlight provides an 800 lumen blast for intense lighting whenever walking outside in the middle of the night or even clearing a room and searching an alley. It features wide beam pattern lights that light up areas you're not directly pointing the flashlight at. There are lots of products out there for self-defense, but we don't always remember to carry them with us. This is a great addition to your personal survival gear, whether you're facing the zombie apocalypse or just trying to get through WTSHTF. This pen is designed with a butt tool that, if necessary, can smash a window open or can be used as a self-defense tool. This pen writes well and feels great in your hand. Apart from the neat tactical feature, it's compatible and built to be robust with standard ink refills, so it should be around for a long time. Used by military pilots, Navy SEALs, first responders, SWAT, and other demanding occupations, this cool pen multi-tool has stood up well to the rigors of daily use. This is the perfect solution to your problem if you have had problems breaking pens in your pocket or bag and ruining your gear. So clip or carry in your pocket, briefcase, laptop bag, backpack, purse, or bug-out bag to the mole system. When agility and speed are non-negotiable and duty calls for quick action, the Alpha Fury 8-inch side-zip tactical boot gets you going with features like the U-Fit rapid lacing system. The Fury is also high-performance, lightweight, and flexible with the support of a stationary Achilles cushion and nylon shank for stability. With a slip-resistant rubber outsole, the Alpha Fury keeps you safer even in slick, wet conditions. The gusseted tongue, custom-molded thermoplastic heel counter, and toe box are sure to provide comfort all day for even challenging duties. They're also conveniently airport-friendly and work well for TSA agents or security guards and don't cause any issues with metal detector devices. Trust the SOG Seal Strike tactical fixed blade knife to get you through the suck. SOG, based in Seattle, WA, created this knife to serve special ops, ex-gunny grandpops, and any warrior in between. SOG, short for MACV SOG, is a US tool and knife company founded in 1986 and named in honor of the Military Assistance Command Vietnam Studies and Observations Group, a spec ops outfit that valued quick, quiet solutions. Your SOG Seal Strike is crafted in AUS-8 black titanium nitride-coated stainless steel and hardened using cryogenic heat treatment. The steel is lowered to -300 degrees Fahrenheit, then brought to room temperature to relieve blade stress at the atomic level, thereby increasing edge retention and hardness. This is an effective tactical gift idea that will make a perfect addition to the emergency supplies kit or wilderness backpack of someone you're shopping for. It's impossible to know what kind of equipment you might need in different emergencies, so consider giving someone who has a passion for tactical gear an inclusive collection of survival tools like this. It's super compact and waterproof, so it's a form of gift that goes anywhere. A wire saw, the torch, steel survival cart, whistle, compass, and much more are all packed into the 5x3.5 by 1.6 box with a weight of just 6.8 ounces. The steel tool cart is a multi-tool that includes an opener, knife edge, screwdriver, router, cap opener, 4-position wrench, butterfly wrench, saw blade, ancillary direction indicator, 2-position wrench, and a keyring holder. These are useful tactical gadgets for guys. This is one tactical shovel among all its features that has a lot of potential uses. It's lightweight, only 1.2 pounds, and it's extremely compact, including a shovel, serrated saw, axe blade, hammer, and even paracord length. A magnesium fire starter, emergency whistle, bottle opener, and travel pouch are also included. This tactical instrument is super lightweight and can even fit into a backpack comfortably. This multi-tool will do it all. Dig trenches, build shelters, start fires. This device was designed by FiveJoy from high-carbon steel and hardened aluminum. It's a rugged piece of equipment designed to withstand both heavy abuse and the elements. Backpacks aren't for everyone, and those are the people who should consider fanny packs. Since you're going to need to carry your belongings with you whenever heading out on a boat for fishing, a fanny pack can easily store your most important belongings around the waist. You'll have more freedom this way, all while keeping your things close to you. DALIX's fanny pack is certainly among the most popular tactical and personal defense equipment because it's lightweight and has enough storage room to keep what you need with you safe. This fanny pack features a 3-zippered pocket with an adjustable polyweb strap and a plastic snap buckle that will never loosen on you. Many people always keep pepper spray on them to prevent getting attacked. It's one of the best ways to keep a dangerous individual away from you. When you notice a threat, spraying pepper spray towards the person's face will stall them for a long period of time, and this is the perfect chance to get away. SABRE is known to be the #1 pepper spray brand that's trusted by police and consumers across the globe. Since it's so powerful, it can spray up to 10 feet range with 35 bursts. You can simply clip this pepper spray to your belt, pocket, or keep it inside of your bag to constantly keep you safe. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the following videos here.